Hello everyone, I am Aries from Synergy Notes and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to install a validator node for Kujira testnet chain Harpoon-3. We have compiled all the necessary steps and files needed for this process and uploaded them to our GitHub account. I will include all the important information along with our GitHub link in the description down below. Now let's get started. Let's log into the new Ubuntu server that we have installed. As you can see, we are using Ubuntu 20.04 over here. Install UFW firewall and configure the firewall. I have already installed it, but you have to go through each command present in our GitHub page. We have already installed it. Now execute this command to deny all incoming traffic and allow outgoing traffic. Now allow the port 22, which is needed for us to log in through SSH command. Allow the port 26656. This is needed for the validator node to work. And let's enable the firewall. Press Y and press enter. Now let's create a user called node. Add user node. You have to give the password. So I'll type in as 1234. Retype the password 1234. You don't need to provide all this information, just keep pressing enter. Now add the username node to sudoers, and now let's log into the user node. Okay, we are inside the user node. Now let's install the prerequisites needed for the validator node. Sudo apt update. Again, I have already installed these prerequisites. If you have not installed it before, you will get a different kind of an output. Now let's install Go package, which is required for validator node. And let's update the environmental variables to include Go. Just copy the whole section and then paste it over here. Press enter, and then execute the source command. Now let's check the Go version. Yeah, now we are good to go. Next step is to install Kujira testnet node. Git clone the core, cd into core, make clean, make install. CD, and now let's check the version of Kujira. Okay, now we are good to continue. Let's initialize the validator node. Copy paste the command. You have to give a moniker name. In this case, I will give the moniker name as my node. Press enter. Then now let's download genesis.json and addressbook.json files. cd into .kujira config folder. Remove the old Genesis file and copy paste this command to download the Harpoon-3 Genesis file and place it inside config folder. Then we do the same thing for address book JSON file. Okay, let's check if these two files are present in the config folder. Yes, we see genesis.json file and addressbook.json file. Now let's start the node. Okay, as you can see, the blockchain has started to sync. This will take some time for the blockchain to sync. I will stop the video over here and get back to the video once the blockchain is completely synced. Okay, the blockchain is completely synced now. We can check it in the status. Open up a new terminal window, log into the server and log into the user node, and then execute the command Kujira status. As you can see, catching up is false. This means the blockchain is completely synced now. Okay, let's get back to the previous window. To exit from here, press Ctrl C. Now we have stopped the node. Now let's set up the validator to run as a service in the background. Change directory to this. Create a file called kujira.service. Copy paste the entire section. Okay, here a few things to change. If you are using a different user, you have to change this. For example, if you are using a user called KUJI, you have to change this to KUJI. Okay, in this case we are using the user node, and again here too, if you are using KUJI, you have to type in as KUJI over here. In our case it is node. That's it. Save this and exit. To save it, press Ctrl X, press Y and enter. Now reload the daemon, enable Kujira service and start Kujira. Now the node is running in the background. To check the status, you can execute the command Kujira status, and as you can see, catching up is false, so everything is fine. The node is running in the background. Let's get back to the home folder. The next step is to create the wallet for your validator node. To do so, you have to execute the command Kujira keys add. Copy paste the command. Here change this to the name that you desire. In our case, we will add it as my wallet. Press enter. Give a password. I'll type in as 1234. Enter the password. Okay, you need 8 characters, so I will type in as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, make sure you copy this whole thing and paste it in a notepad or text edit. Save this file somewhere in a safe location. You need to copy this 24 words mnemonic phrase and save it in a safe location. If you lose this, you won't be able to access the wallet. Now you need to get some Kuji tokens to this wallet. To get some Kuji tokens to your wallet, please send a message in Kujira Discord channel. Someone will send you some tokens to register the validator node. Let me stop the video over here, send some tokens to this wallet address and get back to the video. Okay, I have transferred 10 Kuji tokens to this wallet address. Let's check if we have received it. You can use this command to check the balance. Yes, as you can see, we have 10 Kuji tokens over here. The next step is to create and register your validator node. To do so, copy the create validator command from our GitHub page. Open up a text editor and paste it. Okay, in this command you have to change this to whatever the moniker name that you desire to use. In our case, we will use it as my node. This is the Keybase ID that you can get it from keybase.io. If you do not have a keybase.io account, go to keybase.io and register an account over there and create a key. A key is generated something like this. Upload your avatar over here. This is a test account that we have created, so we are going to use this key. If you want to give some description, you can give the description for your validator node. You can also give website details too, something like this, and you have to change this to your wallet name. In our case, we have created it as my_wallet. You have to give current commission rate. I have set it as 0. 0.0 is 0. The max commission rate that you can charge ever. I have set it as 5%. 0.05 is 5%, and max commission rate that you can change per day, that is every 24 hours. I have set it as 1%. That means you cannot change more than 1% per day. For example, if you want to change your commission rate from 1% to 5%, you will need to execute this command 5 times over 5 days every day. You have to increase from 0 to 1, then 1 to 2, then 2 to 3, so on till 5. And please remember, commission max rate and commission max change rate cannot be changed once it is set forever. So beforehand itself, decide what you want to provide as commission max rate and commission max change rate, and then execute the command. Now I am going to bond 5 Kuji tokens to this validator node and create the validator node. Let's check if everything is correct. Oh, okay, I missed a backslash over here. Okay, there's a mistake over here. Copy this command completely and paste it over here and press enter. Give the password and press enter. Okay, it looks like we have created the validator node. Just wanted to inform you that we are operating our own Cosmos blockchain explorer at cosmosrun.info. Here is our cosmosrun.info website. To get to the Testnet explorer, click on here and you can see Kujira Harpoon-3 testnet over here. Click on that and let's see if we have registered the validator node properly. Click on staking. Let's scroll down. Yep, as you can see over here, we have successfully created our validator node. We must thank ping.pub because we have forked their GitHub repo and using that for our Explorer website. We have included cosmosrun.info link in the description down below. Also, we are in the process of creating and hosting snapshots for both mainnets and testnets so that whenever needed, the community can download these snapshots and sync the blockchain quickly. And we will also operate IBC relays between many Cosmos blockchains. We should be able to start these IBC relays in a month or two. Okay. Now, when you execute the command Kujira status, you should be able to see that voting power has been set to 5. We have also included many other useful commands in our GitHub page. You can check out those commands and if it is required, you can execute those commands. For example, you can use the following command to delegate Kuji to your validator node. But for that, we have to first find out your validator address. You can either get it from here in cosmosrun.info website, staking, go all the way down to your node and click on this, and you can click on here and you can copy it, or you can execute the following command to know the validator address. In this case, our wallet name is my wallet. Press enter. Oh, sorry, that's a spelling mistake. We have got our validator operator address. Now execute the following command to delegate one Kuji to your validator node. Here we have to change the validator address to this one and also the wallet. In our case, it is my wallet. Press enter. Enter. Okay, let's check out if we have increased our voting power by 1 Kuji. Yep, as you can see, previously it was 5, now it is 6. You can check the details over here also. You can see that it shows us 6 Kuji. Now let's take a backup of all the important files that are related to the node. Let's change the directory to .kujira, then change directory to config, and let's list the files. You need to take a backup of node_key.json file and prev_validator_key.json file present in config folder, and then change directory to data, list the files over here, and you have to take a backup of prev_validator_state.json file present in data folder. Again, you have to backup 3 important files from your node, which are node underscore key.json and priv underscore validator underscore key.json files present in config folder, and then priv underscore validator underscore state.json file present in data folder. Download these 3 files and store them in a safe location. If in case there is any issues with the server and you need to switch to a new server, all you have to do is just follow the whole procedure from start in this video, and then just replace these files in these locations and restart the node. Once this is done, this will restore your node with same validator name and address. I hope this video helps you to create Kujira Harpoon-3 testnet node and register as a validator. If you have any questions or need any assistance, please contact us at our Discord channel. If you find this video useful and informative, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. That's it for now. You have a great day. Bye bye.